Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating technical setup that our scanner has flagged, focusing on a stock that's currently in a very interesting, albeit quiet, phase. We'll break down exactly why it caught our attention and what specific levels to watch. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Let's get right into it. Today our focus is on TLF with the ticker TLF. This company operates in the N/S sector, which means it doesn't neatly fit into traditional classifications, but it's important to note its status as a micro-cap stock. This puts TLF squarely in penny and small cap territory, often associated with higher volatility and significant potential for percentage moves, both up and down. Now, you might be looking at TLF recent data and wondering why it's on our radar. Today's change is 0.0%, and we've seen similar 0.0% changes over the last 5 and 30 days. Its 52-week high and low are both $0. Current volume is 0 shares, with a 30-day average of 0, meaning relative volume is 0x above average. This indicates a stock that's currently dormant. However, our advanced scanner identified powerful underlying technical patterns as if it were active, suggesting a potential reawakening or a significant setup. TLF triggered 3 key strategies. First, Paloma Onsesi, which means pre-breakout squeeze. Show indicators. This strategy looks for a tight consolidation range where the ADX, or average directional index, the trend strength indicator, is low, signaling a period of reduced volatility. It also requires the price to be above the EM20 or 20-period exponential moving average, a short-term trend indicator that gives more weight to recent prices with volume beginning to expand. For TLF to trigger here, it means it's showing a tightly coiled spring pattern, ready for an explosive move if volume returns. Second, dip and top layer, or strength from the lows. This strategy also identifies low ADX consolidation, again suggesting a tight trading range. Price is above the EM20, the RSI relative strength index, a momentum oscillator measuring price velocity, is above 50, and volume is above its 30-day average. This implies that TLF has been consolidating at lower levels, and despite the current 0 volume, the pattern indicates underlying strength building, positioning it for potential upward momentum. An RSI above 50 means buying pressure is starting to outweigh selling pressure. Finally, Fink and Culp, the classic cup and handle breakout. Highlight pattern. This continuation pattern suggests a strong upward move. It triggers when price is above both the EM20 and SM50, or 50-period simple moving average, a medium-term trend indicator. The RSI is between 50 and 65, and volume is rising. This combination, even with TLF current inactivity, indicates the structural conditions for a powerful bullish move are in place. Technical analysis deep dive. The signal was powerfully confirmed by what we call the VWAP and EMA alignment gate. VWAP. This means TLF price is hypothetically trading above its VWAP, or volume-weighted moving average, and average price adjusted for volume, giving more weight to periods of high trading activity. Price above VWAP indicates buyers are in control. The ADX, measuring trend strength, is above 18, signaling that if a trend were to emerge, it wouldn't be just noise. The RSI is in a healthy momentum zone between 45 and 68, the sweet spot where momentum has started but isn't overextended. Show RSI. All these alignment conditions, if present with actual volume, create a robust, high-probability setup, filtering out false breakouts. Imagine a stock that has been quietly building strength, tightening its range like a spring ready to release. This is the essence of Paloma Onsesi, suggesting TLF is poised for a significant move once liquidity returns. Then, picture a stock that's shaken off its lows and is slowly but surely attracting new interest, consolidating its gains before a bigger push. That's dipped and got top layer at play, indicating a bottoming process is complete. Finally, envision a powerful bullish pattern unfolding, where a period of buying pressure followed by a smaller consolidation prepares the stock for a sustained rally. This is the classic cup and handle, signaling a major continuation move for TLF. Based on these powerful signals, our scanner generated precise levels. The scanner entry signal price is $2.8585. This entry makes sense because it's just above the immediate resistance of this consolidation phase, confirming that the potential breakout is underway. Our stop loss level is $2.8442. This protects your capital against a false breakout, signaling that the initial thesis might be incorrect if price drops below. Highlight levels for take profit. We have 3 targets: TP1 at $3.14, TP4 at $3.1444, and TP3 at $3.2873. These targets are strategically placed at key resistance levels where sellers might appear, allowing you to scale out of the trade. The impressive risk/reward ratio is 9.99, meaning for every dollar you risk, you stand to gain nearly 10, indicating a highly favorable setup if it plays out. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. For TLF, given its current dormancy, the absolute critical factor to watch for is a sudden surge in volume. Show volume bars. We need to see volume explode well above its historical 30-day average of 0 shares, signaling renewed interest and actual trading activity. Specifically, look for a large green candle breaking above our entry level, supported by this massive volume. Invalidation would be if TLF fails to attract any volume, or if any subsequent trading pushes the price below our stop-loss level, indicating the patterns were not strong enough. Keep an eye on the broader market sentiment as well, as microcaps are often sensitive to overall market conditions. TLF presents a truly unique setup. While currently dormant, our scanner has identified a powerful confluence of technical patterns suggesting significant potential if trading activity resumes. Remember, careful planning and risk management are paramount. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth stock breakdowns, and let us know in the comments which stocks you'd like us to analyze next. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.